We are pleased to show you the 2024 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, stability control, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.